Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The comfort, technology, and premium features built into this Grand Caravan make every trip feel like a vacation. Features include remote engine start, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive highlights the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. Experience it for yourself today.
At Alma Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, we treat you like family. We're conveniently located at 2280 West Monroe Road in Alma.